Hello, it's me, Bola. I want to tell you today who a survey data analyst is. A survey data analyst specializes in extracting meaning, accuracy, and actionable decisions from raw land survey data, helping transform field measurements into useful maps, reports, and design. We interpret field data into design-ready outputs. Use data from total station, GPS, every instrument to convert the data points and elevations into topographic maps, contours, layout designs, road alignments. For example, a developer sends in the raw survey data, a surveyor sends in the raw survey data. I analyze it and generate a 3D terrain model which can be used for setting out, can be used for civil engineers, it can also be used by clients for your road designs, for drainages,